Okay, we are back in this awesome location here. Let's get straight into it. Let's have a fly around in manual, see what we've got, see how my skills are going. We'll try a little bit of everything today. So let's start recording. Let's stick it in manual. We've got 8%. Let's stick that up to 15. It's not percent degrees. Throttle down. Motor's starting. Let's take off in manual and see where we can go. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, calibrate, calibrate, calibrate. Okay, that wasn't good. I stood up at the same time as I was trying to take off while taking off in manual. That's the trouble. You have a good session and then you think, you know, you've mastered something and it's like easy. But as you can see, I'm all over the place. Come on. Right, let's hone in. Such a cool location though. Lots of obstacles, but they're really spaced out nicely. Obviously there's the smaller gaps if you want them. There we go. So I'm just going to pause the drone right there, like so. So all I've done now is I hit the pause button. So the pause button there out of manual, and now the drone is sitting up. I don't know if you can see it, it's just sitting there. Look how it's sitting nicely. So that allows me now, I can move the camera into a better location. Let's fly down the tree from this way. Let's put that, let's try that, fly it down there. And then when I'm ready to fly again, put it back into manual, line the dots, and away we go. Oh, a couple of twigs there. Low battery. I didn't have a full pack on to start with, so let's bring it back. Change the battery, change the camera angle, try some different tricks. Okay, no crashes so far. That was super fun. I love this place to fly in. Okay, let's go up top, have a look above the trees. Motor starting, recording. Okay, pause it, because I want to move the camera. All right, let's go up and have a look. See what we've got today. Beautiful. Nice. Now the tricky bit is trying to find a gap back into the trees. But look, there's one there. This is probably a little bit steep. Oh, look at that. That worked perfectly. Heart rate went up a little bit then. I think that's like a perfect amount of dive for this Neo. Can't pull out of much more. Okay, so that's up. Let's see what other obstacles we have around here. That's cool. I'm getting the ability to hover a little bit more now and look around in manual, where before it was like I'm constantly flying fast and I have to Let's check if I can get through that gap. Yeah, look, couldn't do that type of stuff before, going that slow, that controlled. Oh, there's a gap there. Is that doable? Oh, no. I reckon it is. How low is that? Very low. Yeah, I'm not going to get under that. Oh, I got under it, but I have had an impact. So let's bring it back. But it's had a knock, so I'm going to bring it back, turn it off and on. Let's have a look. Okay, we've got to try this, haven't we? Pardon. Let's have a look. Right, the gap. Okay. Motor's starting. Alright, let's go for a little fly. Calibrate. Have a look at this gap. Can't even see a gap from that distance. Nice and slow. Slow and steady. We got it. Can I get it from the other direction though? No. There we go. That's better. Oh my good, 2 in a row. Alright, I'm stopping there. Okay, let's try some speed runs now, close to the floor. Start recording. We're in manual. So whack it up to 21 degrees. Throttle down. Motor starting. We'll have to get used to that. Getting much better at staying the same height now. Oh, that's close. That's closer. Well, that was up and down a little bit. That wasn't a great one. Got closer to the floor, but yeah, this is so much better than I was doing before. Let's go up and have another look up. Harder to find the gaps when I've got the angle of the camera up. So I might bring the angle down. There we go. Okay, now it's easier to find the gaps. I'm just going to do a couple of flips now, see if I can do front flip, back flip, side flips, all 4 directions. See if I can get that in one go without crashing. Okay, that was to the right. to the left, just, okay, front and back flips now. Oh, come on, Paul, don't lose it now when you're flying. Okay, that was front flip, I think, or back flip. I did touch the floor, but I didn't crash. Yeah, we're got a few flips there with no crashes. Lost my bearings. Where's the camera? Over here. Try and get it in the camera, which is tricky. No, that was stupid. Thumbs up and subscribe would be appreciated. Really does help the channel out. Let me know down below if you have any questions or advice, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.